Keyword research. When I say keyword research, I'm talking about words and phrases that the content on your website should have. This makes it easy for users searching for such content to find your website easily when they type in specific words into the search bar. The idea is to synchronize your understanding of the user's preferences with the search engine's data, so that it can show your website up top when users look for those keywords. This is one of the most important elements of search engine optimization. Typically, the process starts with creating a list of keywords that are relevant to the content you are trying to optimize. It takes time and effort, but the results are phenomenal and makes it totally worth investing your resources. A lot of individuals, including some professionals, look for SEO keywords only once and don't update them from time to time. Another mistake is to add only the most popular keywords, which means you will be one of the many websites that have added the same set of keywords. I've talked about updating keywords being an ongoing process. That is because the internet, unsurprisingly, changes every so often, and you need to keep up with it. And updating keywords is like maintenance for the content on the website. You need people to recognize the content from the simplest means, like the title and the accompanying description. This makes them feel like they are talking to a human, albeit a professional, and not a bot or an institution that is out of touch with the present world. This also keeps your web page ranked on top, since these will be the keywords your users are entering into the search bar. There are plenty of tools online that can help you find a bunch of keywords related to a subject, but you must also do your own homework and make sure you keep track of the results on your trial and error techniques. Keyword research is also of great use to marketers in understanding the psyche of buyers. It tells them what is in high demand and how to use a popular keyword to optimize the content, but also beat the competition organically. You also learn about the kind of language the demographic that is most likely to seek your products or services is using. Now, it is not enough to find the keywords. You need to know in what order to enter them to get the best results in terms of search engine optimization. The first order of business is to find high attention or long-tail keywords for your content and add them in the title if possible, and also in the body of the text. It is also highly recommended that you place it in the metadata like file names of the images and the URL. Now, let's move on to a much deeper method of optimizing your website. This means going beyond the micro and metadata. It's called on-page SEO, and that's our next chapter.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.